Yeah, I'm just gonna get some gummy bears for the road. I'll be right there. Oh, come on. What do you mean corn dogs don't go with asparagus? I think that's a great idea. You want a Vegemite sandwich? Your loss. Hey, it's AP, and today we're gonna replace this lock set. Check it out. Our house is 90 years old, and after that many years, things start breaking down, like this silly doorknob. Today I'm going to show you how to swap out an old busted Mortise Lockset with a brand spanking new one. What's a Mortise Lockset, you ask? Well, this is a Mortise Lockset. It's called a Mortise Lockset because it's designed like a mortise and tenon joint. You know, you have a mortise and a tenon and they just kind of slide into each other like that. That's how this lock works. And unlike a regular cylindrical doorknob, where you have the locking mechanism kind of, part of the knob itself, the locking mechanism is actually within the mortise part of the lock set. So again, that's why they call it a Mortise Lockset. And now you're this much smarter about lock sets than you were before. And if you found that little bit of useless trivia helpful, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified the next time I upload some really fancy tidbits about lock sets. You never know what's coming. All right, let's go swap this out. Oh, and some of you might be saying, well, why don't you just get some new set screws to tighten it down on the knob bolt thing? Yeah, well, I tried that and it didn't work. I think just over the 30 or 40 years that this particular lock has been in this door, the set screws have just crimped it down to a point where it just cannot latch onto it anymore. So thank you, but I tried that. Oh, and some of you might be saying, well, why don't you just replace the doorknob and the little bolt thingy here instead of replacing the whole lock set? Well, I tried to find a replacement doorknob thingy and I just couldn't find one anywhere, so I had to get the whole set. But it costs like 25 bucks. It's not that big of an investment, and it gives me an opportunity to also swap out the style. I'm going from a brassy little knob to a nice brushed nickel. Ooh, because that's a thing now. All right, let's go do this. And you only really need two tools: a knife to open the package, and then a screwdriver, or a drill with a screwdriver bit, a driver bit, Phillips bit, whatever. Anyway, and all you have to do is unscrew the dang thing. So here we go. And then this piece just slides out. And there you go. There's the original Mortise Lockset. As you can see in there, that's what the hole looks like. So now we're just going to put in the new one. All right, we have instructions. Okay. We have our new fancy doorknob. Here's the mortise piece. Pretty cool. Ooh, fancy keys. I'm gonna feel like put that in like this. You turn it. Oh yeah! Lock up all the gummy bears. The lock set just slides right in and is held in place with a couple of screws. After the lock set was screwed down, I took the trim plate and put it in place, and then I inserted the doorknob so I could get a smooth fit while I screwed down the trim plate. A small level is good to have here as well to get everything nice and straight. The lines left behind from the old trim plate will just be painted over. Repeat on the opposite side. The last thing to do is to add the strike plate, and we're done. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments below and make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have a friend who's struggling with changing their doorknobs, make sure you share this video. Maybe it'll help them. If you haven't done so already, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And until next time, stop planning start fixing something. All right, thanks for watching, everybody.